Okay, new plan. I'm gonna stop with a wall board, and what I'm gonna do is from here over to here. I'm gonna build cabinets. I got to get this out of my truck and up against the wall, and I'm going to get some 2x3s and some piano hinges, and I'm building my cabinets. And I think I'm going to build the cabinets as deep as I would build the bench, because from here over is where I'm going to start my bench. So I'll just start it up against the cabinet wall. And I think I'm going to go with 24 inches deep, because that's what my bench is going to be, 24 inches wide. So anyway, I worked too hard yesterday. I went to sleep at 6 o'clock last night and woke up at 4 o'clock this morning. I was exhausted. So I'm gonna have to take smaller bites and move a little slower. So that's my goal for today. Get my cabinet, get the shelves lined out and everything, and just get started on that today. Oh, and I'm gonna burn all that, take all that over to the pile, the firewood pile, and burn that today. Okay, there's the beginning. Now I need to build the frame for each shelf. I don't think I bought enough 2x3s. I bought 20, but they're cheap. I'll have to go back and get more. But anyway, that's next. Well, that was some very bad planning on my part. I didn't have a plan. You know, this all just, whatever happens. I had no plan. I didn't do anything on paper. I just sort of build stuff and adapt as I build. And I did not plan on the amount of 2x3s I was going to use. So I need to go back and get 20 more. See, I have 5, 10, and then I'll need that much on the outside of the frames. And that's 20. That's all I bought was 20. Right? 5, 10, and then 10 more. Yeah. So I have nothing for the cross pieces that have to go in between each one. So I got to go get 20 more. I have 10 more, and that will do the outside of each frame. And yeah, 20 more. You know, I could probably get by with a dozen, but I'm going to go ahead and get 20 because I can always use them. I got a lot of building going on here. So I'll have to do this tomorrow. Today was a light day. I knew it was going to be. Yesterday, I got that whole wall done, and then I tacked these up, and today I nailed them two up because I had to look for the studs behind there. I should have marked it, but I didn't. And then I went and got my 2x3s and some 2x4s. And I did not get enough 2x3s, so today's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. By the time I get back with 2x3s, it will be too late to do anything. So I'll be back out here tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll have everything I need, so I will make more progress tomorrow. My name's Brad, and I'm an over fastener. I didn't start off over fastening. At first, I would just fasten on the weekends with my friends to blow off a little steam from a hard week of work. And then, as time progressed, I found myself fastening during the day when no one was looking. Sometimes I couldn't go a whole day at work without fastening. And then I knew I had a problem when I would sneak out to the garage at night and fasten when nobody was around to judge me. I started going to hardware store auctions and buying up all their fasteners as they were closing. It was a terrible problem. Destroyed my life. Lost my tools, all my screwdrivers, and there I was on the street. begging for fasteners, asking people to support my children and using that money to buy fasteners. Okay, enough of that silliness. Okay, I have 9 more of those to make. Up this way, and every single thing is not square. Okay, let me tell you, the floor. Now that is level, 100% level, and from the bottom edge to the floor is 21 inches. From the bottom edge of that to the floor is 23 inches. That's how far that floor drops off. As a matter of fact, let me see. I'll show you the crack. Right here. And it goes over there. And yeah, this has definitely fallen a good couple of inches. And because of that, that wall is bowed out. That pole is bowed that away. So I had a choice to make my cabinet square and have them be not square with the wall, or to make my cabinets follow the wall and they would look square. So I'm making my cabinet square. Alrighty. Take a little break. Now that I have my basic pattern down, I'm going to start cutting me in mass quantity the runners in the middle, the joists, the end pieces, these here. And each one is going to be a different length because, as I said, it's 88 down here from one end to the other. And it's 88 and 7/8 at the top. So this end is going to be square. Alrighty, back to work, everybody. Well, like everything, I have to stop and go to town. That's all I got for today. This is Friday. Tomorrow I do my Saturday thing. Saturday I think I can get the rest of these made, and possibly the doors on finished. I think I can finish the cabinets by Sunday. I'd upload the video. But right now I got to go all the way over to Bossier City and pick up a medical device that's going to help me breathe better. A nebulizer. It's not a secret. It's a nebulizer, and they close at 5. And they do not take cash, and I'll owe them $1.44. That's funny. And I said that to the lady, $1.44, and she didn't think it was funny. Anyway, so that's it for Friday. It's been raining since 3 o'clock this morning. It's raining all day, and gonna rain the rest of the day till tonight. I think it's not gonna rain tomorrow. We'll see. That's Bev's house there, if anybody ever wonders whose house that is. That's Bev. And that's my car up underneath her RV carport, and that's my house over there. And that's my knife shop trailer hood, and that's my gas depot right here. Just so you know what direction I'm facing and the layout of my land. Anyway, I'll be back at it. You'll probably see this Sunday finished. Have a good weekend, y'all.